How to lose weight quickly as you sleep. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Wouldn't it be great if you could lose weight while catching a bit of sleep? Good news, you can. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on, so you can get the latest content. 1. Drink a casein shake. Whilst proteins such as whey are perfect for a post-workout boost, their rapid absorbing nature means they're not as effective before you hit the hay. Instead, choose casein protein if you want to boost your overnight fat burning. Casein is a gradually digested protein that can take your body around 6 to 8 hours to break down. This means your metabolism will be kept active throughout the night, and you'll wake up feeling energetic instead of starving. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 2. Sleep more. That's right, one of the most effective ways to shift those pounds while you sleep is to quite simply get more of it. With our hectic schedules nowadays, sleep is often neglected, but if you want to lose weight, that needs to change. 3. Eat cottage cheese before bed. Eating food before bed is often seen as taboo when it comes to dieting, but this is actually dependent on what kind of food you choose. Avoiding food completely before sleeping can actually have the opposite effect, as people who wake up feeling hungry are far more likely to binge on food at breakfast. A small snack of cottage cheese before bed is a great choice as it is rich in, you guessed it, casein protein. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. 4. Resistance training. Whilst sleep alone is great to encourage weight loss, there are some exercises you can do before bed that will help the process along. One of the best approaches is some pre-slumber resistance training. Burning fat is all about boosting your metabolism, and resistance training are great for this. This resistance training session doesn't need to be excessive. A simple weightlifting routine will suffice, even if it doesn't push you to the limit and leave you breathless. It's well worth following this up with a casein shake. As mentioned earlier, this will ensure consistent muscle recovery throughout the night while you sleep. 5. Eat small meals throughout the day. Eat little and often is a favorite tip of trainers and dietitians the world over, and you'll be glad to hear this is a great way of boosting your nocturnal weight loss. Eating small meals frequently throughout the day serves to keep your metabolism ticking over, and will ensure your body continues burning fat throughout the night. Of course, these meals need to be healthy and nutritious for this technique to work. As well as boosting your metabolism while you're asleep, this frequent eating method will ensure your appetite is kept in check, which should reduce any cravings you have when you wake up in the morning. However, if you are someone who can't sleep for more than 12 hours or doesn't want to eat small meals, if you don't want that, click the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.